Hey folks, it's Monday morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. We find ourselves now in the second week of December, and this is a critical week as we're inching our way closer to the holiday season where things begin to slow down. And with that, we have two big headline events taking place this week that everybody needs to be aware of. One of which is this stimulus package here in the U.S. that everybody's talking about. Can Congress come together and get a package over the finish line? There's a $900 billion proposal on the table. Now it's, can we get a collective agreement around it? Again, COVID-19 cases spiking, hospitalization spiking, the economy needs some help. Investors looking to see how quickly we can get that done. Second event is across the pond in the UK. Big Brexit talks again kicking up this week. They're trying to find common ground between the UK and the EU to prevent a hard exit. Will they be able to do so this week? A lot of focus on those talks. Now, that being said, what impact is that having on the market? Well, in the overnight session, we're seeing the equity markets trade off those record highs. Friday, Dow Jones down by 100 or so. The S&P hit just shy of 3,700 on Friday, 36.99 to be exact, seeing the S&P under pressure this morning as well. You look over at FX, with those Brexit talks, we're seeing the pound trade off highs. We're seeing that dollar bounce up off the lows. Across the board, we're seeing strength in the dollar this morning. Gold's been fairly flat in the overnight session, and oil, which had a big week last week as the OPEC Plus decision came out. They said that they're going to extend or at least phase into an uptick in production moving forward. Oil traded higher off of that. This morning, we're seeing a little bit of pressure on oil, trading right around $45 a barrel in WTI. So let's go get after it today, folks. Big day. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Bye-bye.